Guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this editional of today's newspaper of Thursday, April the 8th, 2021. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle is a 4 stars Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru, and this one will be a number 2604. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 plus 3, 16 printed digits. Alright, so we can start. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we see here the dual box? I see here a dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Do we see more dual boxes? No. Triple back boxes then. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to find or recognize some figures or constructions or shapes. For example, the L shape, it's rotated, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shape? No. Yeah, here. So this box has the same number as that box. And I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes. Definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Do we have more L shapes? No. This kind of shape or figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Okay. Here, mirrored, also the same figure. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes or figures? No. Then, do we have other figures? No. That's all. So we can start. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 1 and 5. Well, this box cannot be 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 5. That box should be the 5. And this box should be a 1. Oh, right. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 3 or a 5 because we have a 3 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 2. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1 because it's in this L shape. Cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1 because it's in the same area. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes here. I think. Yeah. Okay. This box connected. Can we 2? Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a... No. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. It's connected here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Yeah, 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. Well, I cannot place a 3 here because otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 5 there. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. But also this box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 5 there because I have double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 5 here. The 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it's connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. And yeah, I think this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2 or 3, but it can also not be a 4 because if I place a 4 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so it cannot be a 4, so it must be the 5. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 and a 3 we have a pair, so this should be a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 3 boxes left in this area for the numbers of 2, 4, and a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. I like this one. 4 stars? No. Whether I think it's a 1 star or 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. You can also go to my channel for the playlist if you like the tectonics. Anyway, thank you for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. See you on Friday. Bye bye for now.